Every reliable cable begins with precision, and every layer matters. Here, two individually insulated conductors are carefully guided into the sheathing line, where advanced engineering takes over. As they move through the extrusion process, a high-quality outer sheath is applied uniformly around both insulated wires, creating a strong, durable, and well-protected cable. This protective layer enhances mechanical strength, improves resistance to moisture, heat, abrasion, and harsh environmental conditions, while keeping the conductors securely bonded together. With precise temperature control, consistent material flow, and accurate line speed, the sheathing process delivers a smooth finish and outstanding product quality every time. At Shineworldgroup, we provide advanced cable manufacturing solutions that help manufacturers produce cables with efficiency, consistency, and international quality standards. Shineworldgroup, empowering the future of cable manufacturing, one production line at a time.